What's good, Does Nation? What's good, YouTube family? Peace, love, and ascension, man. Welcome back to the channel. And yes, I'm chewing gum in this video, man. You feel me? I'm sorry, but you just gotta deal with it because I gotta have my breath fresh while I'm talking to my people, man. If you are new here, my name is Dudley, aka Dudley Does with DudleyDoes.com. Now, you read the title, you seen the thumbnail, man. Let's not play games. I have personally been an online internet entrepreneur now for the past 6 years. I've had a lot of trials, a lot of errors, and you know what, man? I can't do it, man. I'm sorry. I've had a lot of errors. I'm gonna tell you guys what I have personally seen to be successful in the internet realm. Now, I want to preface this video by saying this: to even be able to make money online, you have to invest in yourself. I know you hear a lot of people that say this, invest in yourself, and it's corny. You see all the gurus say it, but it's true. In order to get money online, in order to get money anywhere, you need to provide a value. And so you've got to be a person of value. Meaning you have to pour into yourself in whatever field, expertise, you know, however you want to put it. You must add value to yourself. So if you are somebody that is in school right now, if you are further in your education, you definitely want to continue to do that. With that being said, if you are somebody that is, you know, in a traditional path of education, understand that you don't have to work a regular job. You can, you know, do what you're passionate about and bring it into the realm of being online on the internet. What do I mean? I'm about to clarify a little bit more about that.
I wake up, flex, thumb down that check, no drip this, tell them run it up, no sleep, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it up.
Number one, get a trade, get a skill. I think everybody should have a trade or a skill. And what I mean by this specifically is you want to make sure that you get a trade or skill that if everything goes downhill, you can still make money. So, you know, something like doing hair, providing some type of a healthcare service or some type of a service that is in demand. After you do that, and stay with me, this leads me to the next way to make money. You want to monetize that trade, monetize that skill, bring that skill on a digital plane. So for example, I have a degree in exercise science. I'm a health and wellness trainer, coach, and so what I did was during the pandemic, I needed to diversify my income. I needed ways that I can make more money because everything was shut down. I couldn't train anybody. I had to figure out how can I make more money online. YouTube wasn't really hitting for me like that, right? So I said, okay, I have knowledge, I have education, I'm continuously adding to myself. What can I create? What product can I create that's going to enable me to make some money online from the comfort of my home or anywhere in the world? So I thought to myself, I have knowledge on fitness, I have knowledge on nutrition, I've been plant-based. At this point, I was plant-based for about 5 years, and I said, okay, why not write an ebook? So I created 2 ebooks, 2 recipe ebooks in which I've monetized on my own website. So I get 100% of the profit and I make sales every single day. So this is what I mean by you can monetize your skills and your trades and your expertise by bringing it online. So for example, if you are somebody that has knowledge, if you are a therapist, let's say it's another pandemic, what you can do is you can consult people online. Maybe you are a trainer, you can create programs, meal plans, you know what I'm saying, fitness programs online, monetize it, package it up, or you can train clients online through Zoom, on YouTube like I do. I also train clients online. So this is how you can monetize your skill and your trade by bringing it online. This is how you can make money online. And to be honest, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it's easy. Anything worth having in life is going to be hard. That's facts. But I've gotten to the point now where I wake up every day and I've made money passively. If I can do it, you can do it too. There are many ways that you can monetize your expertise, your knowledge, and what you know. You guys have always heard me say this. I've always been consistent in saying this. There are people out there in the world that need what you have to offer. So if you are a teacher, an educator, or even if you're not an educator, if you're an expert at something, you can create an e-product, you can create a course. I also have a course called Self-Made Master Course where I teach people how to become online entrepreneurs, how to create their own business, how to monetize their business, how to leverage social media and eventually branch off. All these different things, you can teach something on the internet. This is how you make money online. Next, for other people that are not necessarily business savvy, that don't want to create their own e-products, that don't want to create a course or an ebook, that don't want to be an author, just people that just want to make money online. I won't say easily, but you know what I'm saying, because I'm trying to keep it real with y'all. A lot of people will come in and be like, oh, it's easy. Listen, if you want this bread, you're gonna have to work. Fact, one of the things that you can do is you can simply monetize your social media. So what I mean by this, now obviously YouTube is different now. You can't just get on and start making money like you used to, or can you? Right? So you can easily, and I do mean easily, create a YouTube channel, upload videos. Even if you're not getting paid by the AdSense, in the meantime, you can be, putting different things in the links. Maybe you can consult people. People will help you. People will donate to you. You can do all of these different things, but you've got to hustle. Okay, you can leverage social media. You can leverage your Instagram. I always tell my students in my course, do not just be a consumer on Instagram or any social media platform. If you have time to post, you have time to make money. So I told you guys about how a lot of these companies now are actually more interested in micro influencers. Okay, little pages with 2,000 followers, 5,000 followers, sometimes even 800 followers, where they will send you free products, make a video, and they'll give you some type of a commission, or they'll just pay you. There are so many ways out here to get it, but you gotta put yourself out there. You can monetize your YouTube channel even if you're not, getting paid by AdSense. If you're getting paid by AdSense, I just answered your question on how to make money online that way, okay? There are even a lot of influencers making money on TikTok by just posting dance videos. I mean, this is, in my opinion, this is the best time to actually be alive and make money. You can make money from just your phone. It's that simple, okay? Also, if you don't want to do any dances on TikTok, if you don't want to do anything like that, you can simply review products on social media and get paid that way. There are companies that will pay you, literally pay you hundreds if not thousands of dollars to review their product online. This next one, which I'm sure a lot of you have heard it and you're probably frustrated by now, saying everybody that makes these videos says this, but it's true. This next one is affiliate marketing. One of my personal favorites that I still do to this day.
To this day!
You feel me? So affiliate marketing is basically when you become an ambassador, a partner of a company, product, or a brand, and then you basically send out the link or product to people. If they purchase it, you get a commission on the back end, you get a kickback, and this is something that I've been doing for years. I love doing, and I teach in my course. Once again, shameless plug, I don't care, deal with it, you feel me? But affiliate marketing is something that is great. You can get started by simply getting products that you think people might love, and you just send the message to all your contacts in your phone, and you earn a commission every time they purchase something. What I really love about affiliate marketing is that there's something called cookies. And cookies is basically like an artificial intelligent tracker, basically, and it tracks, some people might not like this, but hey, it tracks, potential customer activity, and once a person clicks your link, that cookie or whatever is gonna track them for sometimes 24 hours, sometimes up to 3 months. And anything that they purchase within that time frame, even if it's not the product of the link that you gave them, you still get a commission. So this is how we can start to see how this is such a powerful tool to make money online. Affiliate marketing is a beast. I know people right now that are literally multi-millionaires just off of affiliate marketing alone, high ticket products. So affiliate marketing honestly is one that I would definitely preach to you guys to take a serious hard look at. If you don't know what it is, get educated on it and try, you feel me? Like try it out. Like, you can sit here and watch my video all you want, but if you don't try these things, you'll never actually know if it'll work for you. Don't listen to people on the internet that say, oh, these things don't work, this guy's a scammer. How about you try it yourself? You feel me? But that's my little rant. And then of course next we have the infamous drop shipping. Now, I personally do still drop ship within my own business, within my own clothing line. Basically what drop shipping is, which I've explained a bunch of times before, man. You have a product that you're selling on your website. And basically what it is you don't have to hold any physical inventory at your warehouse or at your house, and your manufacturer ships out all the products that your customers purchase on your website. So they do all of the fulfillment, they do all of the customer service sometimes, and all you do is sit back and collect the profit. Now this is a business. Again, I know some people don't really want to do business things, they just want to make the money online. And for this next one, I've got y'all for people that just want to make money online. So another way to make money online, obviously there are certain apps out there that you can listen to music and make money, you can play games and make money, but all that stuff is chump money. That's not real money. You'll have to watch 100 videos just to make 10 cents. Okay, we're not kids anymore, so I'm not even gonna disrespect y'all by saying that on this video. All right, I'm giving you guys actual ways that you can make some real money. All right, ways that I've made tens of thousands of dollars online. Now this next one, for people that just want to chill back, you feel me, a regular job, make money online, you can simply get a remote job. Now if you go on Indeed.com or any other, you know, job website, you can find many remote jobs as a customer service person, as a sales agent. You can teach language again, which I've always spoken about. You can teach languages. There's so many jobs on Indeed.com, and this isn't sponsored, but there's so many jobs that you can, you know, do from remote at your crib that'll enable you to have the location freedom that you want. You could be working from anywhere in the world while making money. You guys know how I feel, how I live. I believe making money in euros and USD and live in pesos or live somewhere else, but hey, that's me. You can find a remote job, you know, solidify a good salary, good benefits, all the above from working, you know, from remote, from Indeed.com. And so these are some real practical, legitimate ways that you can make money online right now. Just try it out. Come back to this video and let me know how these things work out for you, man. As always, I'm always trying to help you guys out and give you guys practical, you know, real ways that you can do these things, real ways that you can secure the bag, secure your future, and not none of these fake gimmicky things out here, man. But anyway, with that being said, hope you got tons of value from this video, man. Peace, love, and light. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man.